We've got this right here. Possible intrusion of water that could go in. I'm doing it now. Romex, which I think is fine in a garage. Fully rebuilt, drywall. And you guys have it reset.
I wonder why they didn't put this as incomplete. That should have been asked for too, and I didn't do it.
That's honestly $12. $12 plus install.
Okay.
It's no big deal.
Did you ask for the bracket or no?
Yeah, get into it. Rain gutters are new. Windows are new. And then very small cracks. Okay, down here it shows moisture. My advice would put a dehumidifier down here to get rid of some moisture. Now, they look like they're from the decking. There was some cracks or maybe some moisture down here, maybe some dripping here. Maybe the plumbing needed to be upgraded. I'm not sure. All the electrical here is probably fine. There's still more Romex, which is the electrical wiring here. Plumbing looks good. A little bit of water. This looks all good, all brand new. Not sure what this was right here. Venting. This crack right here is no big deal. Now you have water here. Now some dripping marks here. All this is fine. Now there's some rotting here on the beam. Should be looked at. Some split woods. This is also rotting here. So it's a little bit of weathering. May want to belt sand it. The deck. Maybe some replacement boards here. Some of it's a little bit wobbly, as you can see. See? So, might want to see about replacing some of that. House itself is in great condition. Sturdy. All very much sturdy. Maybe a belt sander would be great. Now, this light here looks like it has a whole bunch of dead moss in there as well. So this is what it looked like when it's new. Looks like it's just worn from maybe the sun beating down on it. More storage. The roof is in excellent condition. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so just more storage. And that's what the original wood looked like. So let's close this. Okay, so the doors are new. They look good. The house itself is generally good. Now I did notice some slippage, meaning some it's kind of sloping a little bit. No, where's Star? Okay, double check where she's at. So down here a little bit, is sloping. A gap here on top should be sealed. You find her?
Yeah, baby. Yeah, I did. She's by the pool.
So, closing wise, it doesn't close great. A little bit of cracks here. And again, it slopes a little bit down here. See up here? It's a little bit separating. Not sure what that's about. Popcorn ceilings. Okay. Now this is all faux.
Not that I'm aware of, no.
Cracks. Okay. It's nice. Let's see how this closes. Okay, closes fine. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1, guest bedroom. Floors are okay. No closet doors, missing an outlet. So this is the room that's to the right, first room to the right. I'm sorry, second room to the right. This is the first room. I'm not sure why it's missing all of these outlets. So, missing caulking. Looks like they did it themselves, maybe. Not sure. Okay. Is this 220? I don't think so. Maybe. Do you know? Oh, okay. This is okay.
You weren't looking for me, I guess.
No, it's okay. Okay, so I saw that room. So this is the master. Master's fine. Master's fine. Just missing baseboards here and the doors here. It's fine when you wake up and you see this. This is beautiful. Okay. Missing here.
So I'm moving to my house on AVID Drive, and then it's fully rental. So I'm getting out of. I'll send you the information if you know anyone
Okay,
looking to do
cool.
retreats. Yeah, but that's kind of how I got it booked so far, just word of mouth. And,
Okay.
Cause that's what,
Oh, I see. So you don't even have to facilitate them all.
I
You
do
just-
1 or 2 a year.
Okay.
And but I'm looking to do kind of something bigger next year, but I like to also bring some food here for that. Yeah,
Okay. Nicholas, can we see the fire, the stove burn?
Yes.
Yeah, and then you said also this works.
Yes.
Okay.
He said that
winterized
they're gonna put it in before
Okay.
we close so that we confirm that it's working.
Okay. Perfect. Okay.